Hey, what's going on? This is Vinay Kumar. Welcome to Ultimate Payback Machine review. Ultimate Payback Machine is my product and is going to launch on Warrior Press Network on 26th July 9 am Eastern Standard Time. Ultimate Payback Machine is a video training step by step that will show you how to create benefit from free traffic and turn it into an affiliate commissions. This is something I have been doing on Facebook and the method is working. I am showing you a method to find qualified buyers. Do a little trick, create your own ultimate payback machine and start making commissions. And it is very easy to set up. It's a newbie friendly method. Everybody can do it. In addition to that, inside the members area of ultimate payback machine, I am going to keep this video short because actually I want to let the other affiliates to do the work for me and promote my product. I just want to let you know, if you do decide to pick this up for me, all you do is below this video there will be a link which will be redirect to my blog page. When you click on the link, you will be redirect to this blog page. If you want to know more about product, just go through this blog. When you click on this button, you will be redirect to the sales page. So this is the ultimate payback machine sales page. You can see the secret advance in technology allows me to make $266 every day with free traffic. It's very easy to implement and very easy to do. So I want to tell something important thing for you. If you purchase the course, watch the training video step by step and try to implement them, you will achieve success. Without implementing, without knowing about the product, without trying the methods, please don't blame the method is not working and don't decide that the product is not good by seeing the sales page. Every marketer struggles a lot and spends lot of money on other courses and help the people with the method which is working. Now let us see the price. So the price for the ultimate payback machine is $12, but it's going to be increased soon. So grab ultimate payback machine now before the price increases again. So you make sure you come early and pick up and you will not pay more, but you will have the opportunity to grab my bonuses because this bonus expires soon. So if you decide to pick up this from me and not from any other affiliate. Now let us see what you will get when you purchase it through my link. There are 10 bonuses when you purchase it through my link. First one is Facebook Ads Masterclass. You can discover the agency secret to find new profitable customers, decreasing your CPA and doubling your revenue through Facebook advertisement. Second bonus is blogging marketing SEO. Create your massive successful YouTube channel with millions of views and professionally promote your channel and videos to grow your YouTube channel rapidly. Third one is LinkedIn Ads course. You will learn how to choose your campaign objective using different ad formats like text ads, content, mail, etc. Bids and budgeting strategy, retargeting strategy. Next one is inbound marketing on Google and YouTube. In this course, you will learn how to rank your videos in the first page of YouTube, and you will also learn how to create ultimate YouTube thumbnails that will grab the attention of the viewers. Next one is Instagram sales machine. You will learn step by step plan of creating high quality stories, how to creating a content plan template and how to get more new followers to boost your sales with stories. Next one is list building plugin. This plugin is perfect for site owners who are hosting multiple products on multiple opt-in pages on a single site and want to run exit splash pages on certain web pages but not on others. Next one is ebook maker plugin. Are you ready to start making money in the ebook creator with your WordPress blogs? Finally, a easy way to create ebooks with your WP blogs by using this ebook maker plugin. Next one is Niche Ponder software. This software can help you to create sales letters for any niche to buy your product. or services, and you can save hundreds of dollars. Next one is ad rotator software. Earn far more from now by quickly and easily inserting rotating text ads on your sites for products. If you are blogger and business owner, you can place some ads in your websites. Next one is 30 days to build your bigger email list. Now you can generate huge profits and sales with your own responsive email list. Go through the book to implement a simple 30-day plan to bigger email list. These total bonuses are worth of $998. When you purchase it through my link, you will own these bonuses. After purchasing my product, you can access your bonuses by clicking this blue button. Now let us see Ultimate Payback Machine members area. This is the Ultimate Payback Machine members area, in which you can see thank you and welcome video, and you will learn how to choose best offers from ClickBank to promote, and how to choose offer from VarriorPlus, and you will learn how to choose offer from JVZoo to promote. Next video is how to get free buyer traffic. Next one is how to increase your buyer list. Next one is how you can manage your buyer list. Then next video is how you can automate your fan page. Next one is how to warm up your fan page, and then you will learn how to create your fan page campaign, and how to boost your fan page, how to create your fan page, and how to create your flow and sequence. With this you will get all the bonuses, unannounced bonuses, and here you will get some special bonuses, and you will get 10k per month free training. You can register here, and if you want to upgrade to Ultimate Payback Machine Pro, then click here. This is all about the Ultimate Payback Machine members area. Why you should get Ultimate Payback Machine? Because it includes a free traffic method that easy to get going and start working fast. It's include over the shoulder step-by-step video guides, so you can get up and running and making money fast. You can scale up your passive income as big as you want with a 30-day money back guarantee. So there's no risk for you to pick up a Ultimate Payback Machine. So this is very powerful. So that's it. Don't forget to catch my bonuses before the bonus page expires. So all you have to do is click the link below. When you click on that link, you will be redirected to my blog page, and you will find the red button. When you click on this red button, you will be redirected to this sales page, and you will see video here that will explain to you about Ultimate Payback Machine, and make sure you pick this up before the price go up. When you click on this button, you can purchase my product, and you can own all my bonuses, which is worth of $998. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.